Hey guys, welcome back to the Aino tutorial series where I'm teaching you how to be an expert in GIS analysis workflows. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Aino's 15-minute city tool that analyzes the 15-minute walking isochrone around a property. In a previous video, I talked about Aino's free tool called 15mincity.ai. A 15-minute city is an urban planning model where everything a resident needs in their daily life can be accessed within a 15-minute walk or bike ride. We can visualize and assess the walkability of a neighborhood with the Aino Interactive Map, which has more control over the outputs. So first, we pick a plot in Eixample, Barcelona, and the 15-minute isochrone shows the areas we can reach within 15 minutes of walking. This type of analysis surfaces daily amenities like pharmacies, schools, and parks, which translates land use data into actionable and necessary information about daily life in this neighborhood, which informs the work of urban planners and real estate professionals. You can edit the appearance of the map and even show the name of the parks. We surface the buildings within the area, and then we can export our beautiful map that is ready for presentations or further geospatial analysis.